Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to File, go to Import, go to where you have your video saved, probably on your desktop, and then you want to import that. And once it imports, you want to drag it over to the right and drop it. And then when you're here, you can slide this around to change the time position. If you need the exact time, you can double click, add in your time here, hit enter, and it'll take you to that exact time. But whenever you get to a spot that you want to cut off, you just hit C for cut, and then you'll just take this little razor blade and you'll click on the line right here, not up here but right here, hit V for move, cursor changes to an arrow, and if you want to delete this first part, you click on it, hit delete, and you get rid of that. And then from here, if you want to, you can go ahead and shift this all the way to the left if that's what you need to do. Now going through, to get rid of the green screen, we're going to go to Effects, and then Effects over here, and then we're going to go Video Effects. We're going to go to Keying, and then Ultra Key. Alright, from here you're going to drag and drop Ultra Key. So click on it, hold down your mouse button, drag and drop it on top of your video, the one that says .mts. And once you drop it, you'll come over here to the left. You'll click on the little eyedropper. So you have Ultra Key, Key Color, and you have a little eyedropper. So you click the eyedropper, click on the green screen, and it'll remove the green screen. Alright, and then next we want to bring in our picture. So we're going to go back, File, Import. We're going to find the picture that we want to use. And once we find our picture, we're going to drag it over to the right. We'll just drop it right here. And if your picture doesn't show up, it's because of where your playhead is. The little blue line has to be over the picture. And then if your picture isn't full screen, because you can see the body underneath right here, just double click it. Right here, just double click, resize it, and then after you have that, you can click off. Now you want to drag your video layer over your picture. So your video layer was right here, but then you want to drag it up and over your picture. Alright, you'll notice there's a little bit of a shadow here on the green screen. So to get rid of this, you want to come back to the left to Ultra Key, go to Matte Generation, and right here where it says Pedestal, you want to click and drag that number to the right, and it'll get rid of that. So it's a pretty big difference. Drag that to the right, but if you go too far, then you start deleting parts of the body, so just kind of pay attention to that. Alright, so we have this all set up. You can hit play, it'll go through, and then everything's set up.
Yeah.
Alright, so
You can go to the beach.
on this here, you can see where it goes black. The problem is you gotta click your picture, and you get this little red arrow. You want to drag it all the way to the end, and then you'll notice that it's back there through the whole thing. Alright, so that's all there is to the editing part. Now when you want to save it, after you've gone through, fixed your videos, everything you want, if you had another video, you could add it to the end here, and then just keep going, splitting and everything like that. Alright, but to export it, you're just going to go File, go to Export, Media, give it a second. Alright, on the format, you just want to use the H.264, and then just pay attention to where it's being sent to right here. And if you need to change that, you can just click this here, and then put it in whatever folder you want to use. And then after you take care of that, hit export, and then it usually takes a few minutes to do this. And if your video, then you can play it on any player, upload YouTube, whatever you want to do. That's it.